Hello and welcome to the video. This mixed media project is part of a miniature wildflower series. In this episode, we make 1/12 scale prickly pear cactus blossoms. Materials are listed in the description box below. I used 4 punches, but you can always hand cut your own pieces. For the base, punch 2 1-inch pieces of brown cardstock, glue together, add glue to the top, sprinkle ground bits or sand, press. Mix a few drops of yellow paint and about a teaspoon of artificial snow. Let dry. Punch 10 vellum flower pieces and 20 of the copy paper. To make the flowers, curl all the vellum pieces and 5 copy paper flowers with the stylus. Glue flowers in layers, vellum on the outsides, copy paper in between. Then use the orange permanent marker to make a center star shape in the flower. Glue snow bits to the center of the flower. Add a green dot to the top of the snow bit. To make the blossom buds, fold in half, then half again, and once more, roll into shape. Then color the tips of the buds with the orange colored pencil. Punch or cut the foam pieces. Paint both sides of each foam piece with a darker paint, then highlight with a lighter green paint. Let dry. With light brown permanent marker, make dots on both sides of the foam pieces as shown. You can now create the cactus plant. Cut the pieces and assemble onto the base. Apply glue to stiffen the thread. When dry, stick thread to tape on the cutting mat. Then cut the thread into small pieces 1/16 or 1/8 of an inch and glue onto the cactus as shown. After dry, trim any thread spine pieces that need shortened with scissors. Now you can glue the flowers and the buds to your cactus. You could make some planters or several plants to display in a garden or in a nature setting. I hope you like this episode of the Prickly Pear Cactus Blossoms and are inspired to make them. Thank you so much for watching and sharing.